Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, the weekend has finally made it. I told you we can do it and we're here. All right, I got a nice lineup for you all to check up. It's part 2 to a series. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this review off. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, yes, we got a nice lineup for you. Yes, it's the weekend. Now, you've seen the developers work before. You loved it. Hopefully you love these. This is part of a series. This is part 2, and the name of the watch face is called Multilanguage Classic Dail. Now, this developer goes up under the name of WFP. If you want to go and check out his work, I'm telling you, this developer does a great job on watch faces. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face. Now, in the always on mode, I like the color, I like the look opposed to when it's on, and you're going to be able to see everything you need to see at a glance. Now, when it's on, it has 3 dials, which looks really nice. I like this symbol up at the top. I like the choice of colors, and I like the background. Right now, in this dial, you're going to get your month. Over here, you're going to get your battery info. You're going to get your day and your date and digital time down at the bottom, and that's your date right there. Right, good look. Interactive. Yes, it is. I can get info on my battery. I tap here. I can go and set an alarm. I tap here. Well, hold on. Double tap at the bottom. I can change the language of the month, right? But if I tap at the top, I can get my calendar to set an event. And if I tap here, I can go ahead and make a phone call. If I tap here, I can go into my text messages. If I tap here, let's tap there again. I can go into my calendar. If I tap here, I can go and get my weather. So I thought this was a good look for a watch face. I don't know. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Number 2. Number 2 is called Fossil Grant Silver. You've seen this look before. You've seen it in the gold version. Here it is in the silver version. And in the always on mode, it's simply going to be blackened out, kind of like what it looks like right now. And when it's on, you have an opportunity to customize the color. You got an analog look. You also got Roman numeral as numbers, and then you got your dials here. One is for your battery, the other is for your month, and it is interactive, so you can tap on it and go further in to grab more information. You also get shortcuts, phone call, email, floors, walk to climb. You also get your weather. All you got to do is simply tap on it, music. It'll take you right into that. I thought that was a really good look. And if I double tap, I could customize the color of the watch face. I'm liking this one. Very nice look for a Roman numeral watch face. What do you think, guys? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me see. I like this watch face color right here. This one is definitely boss. All right, let's go on to number 3. Number 3. Now, number 3 is called Casio Edifice Style 12 Hours. And always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look in that mode as you will when the watch face is on. Just the color is going to be different. And when the watch face is on, you're going to get an analog look / digital. Down at the bottom, you got a dial here that's going to give you all your info on your exercise and activity, steps, heart rate, miles walked or ran, calories. You also get information on your battery, your digital time, and if I tap here, I can, well, in the middle, I can customize the look of the background. You see that change? Very nice. And if I double tap right here on the side, I can customize the color of the index information on the side, on either side. Doesn't make a difference what side I double tap on. I can customize the color. I thought that was a good look. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on all these watch faces. And whatever you do, enjoy the weekend, have fun, and be safe and party like it's 1999. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.